Yeah, so this guy put a funny little jacket and some clothes on his cat and put his cat up on a box and post himself outside Eaton Center like it's an attraction. So you come and take a picture or something, gotta get a guy some money, because nobody ever seen a cat with a coat on, I guess. I don't know. I don't know. Do whatever you can, right? Make some dough.
Any pictures or donations we have soon?
Summer? Is that you? It is you. Aww. Mariel, why so close? Guys, bye-byes. Okay, anyways. We're gonna go check the mail now, okay? Bye! Skip to my loo. Dun, dun, it's not summer yet. You pick it up. Ah! You hit me in the head. Come on. Damn it. Come on. Damn it.
Wait, which way is it then?
It's down the way. Down the way. Okay,
actually,
you don't know how to use a key.
It's not working.
This isn't even the right key, is it?
We got a new key? Should we?
The key won't open the mailbox.
My license is in there. I need my new one.
So our day is now remote.
Alright, so I'm here at Ryerson, downtown Toronto. You can see the city behind me. Is the CN Tower there? Oh yeah, it's kind of hiding behind them buildings over there. Anyway, today I have to take down some swing stage. I'm on this job site here, and basically my stage is down there. So I need to take everything apart, dismantle it in tiny itty little bitty pieces, load up a truck, and carry everything up and down stairs, and oh god, it's gonna be a bit of a workout. Stairmaster, you know? Anyway, yeah.
Driving me to school.
Now when you
we're
start
practicing driving
when you start
stick.
to engage, when you feel the car
Me and Miriam
starting
can
to
already drive it.
keep your hand on this.
And usually needs to drive alone
After,
too.
yeah, is it in first right now? Yeah.
So,
Keep your hand on that. As soon as it starts to engage, you push it down all the way and
wearing
drive.
jeans? Oh my god.
So just slowly, like you're gonna
Okay,
start.
ready?
Take it off. Like that.
You did it!
You see that?
It smells like burnt toast in here. He did it. Okay. That was good.
Was that easy?
For the bus.
Alright, so it is currently 4:58, 5 o'clock. So I just finished work and now I am at Nanny's house. I have to pick up this bird, Summer, who's been with us since the beginning. I swear we've had her for like 20,100 years. Now I'm bringing them home because my grandparents are going to Malaysia or something like that. But Nanny's gonna be home from work soon, and then I'm gonna pick up this vicious bird that will chew your finger to bits. Cool. So I just filled the gas and I got a slushie. I got Mountain Dew and Crush, and the Mountain Dew I got because it tastes good, and the Crush I got because of the color. Yep. Okay. This bird here, Summer. She wants to eat you guys too. You see that? Should I try putting my finger in? Come on. Come by me. Come on. So we're done our game. We won. I swear to God, I played really bad. I wish I did better. I was telling Dad that if I could get Ronaldo to train me, I would love that. So Ronaldo, if you're out there, you know, please come train me because I really need all the help I could get. Anyways, we are checking the mail. And yeah, just wanted to say that. And I'm gonna go now. Bye. Gonna go shower. Get all clean. Because right now I smell like a bowl of cheese.
Today we are so nice outside. Going to see Nani and Nana at the airport because they're leaving us for 2 weeks. They're going to Malaysia. I'm gonna drop Yusuf off to school right now because he's late. He slept in because he's sick and he still wants to go to school. And then, I really don't know. I also have to pick up a package from the post office. So I just made a little bowl, aluminum foil bowl. You get your piece of food. Smells really good. Put it in there. Then you grab this, and it's really hot, so I'm gonna carry it with my shirt. And it'll start smoking its head off.
Anyways, I'm on my break. Gotta go back soon. Done early today because I'm gonna go see Nani and Nana at the airport. Yeah, I'm gonna miss them. Nani hasn't gone for vacation in so long. So yeah, it's gonna be fun for her.
I'm waiting for Mom to come get a package. Look at this doggy. Yes! I hope it's what I think it is! It is! Yes! My Eid gift.
To you?
No! Okay, come here, Jumbo, come here! Come here! Come, okay, he's not gonna, oh, okay, come here.
Anyway, no worries.
Alright, go. Jumbo, wait, don't move. Okay, go. He wanted some more. Oh my god, it's frozen. How is it?
Where are we going? Are you going on a plane ride? Okay, bye. We'll see you later. Coming. We gotta go. Puma's there. Let's run. Run, run, run. Run, run, run. Puma's there. Run. Yeah.
So, yeah, we're just discussing what we're gonna go and get from McDonald's. Beanie Bean here wants to get a milkshake, and Miriam wants, what's it called? McFlurry. I'm gonna get McFlurry too. Yusuf is over here. He's baking cookie dough, right? Edible kind, without eggs or something like that. I don't know what he's talking about. Yeah. See you guys later, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay guys, we're testing out pickle with cucumber.
I don't believe it.
Pickle with cucumber. Pickle with peanut butter.
They're too similar. I won't be able to tell the difference.
Okay, I'm gonna try it first.
Go, try it. You
I
barely
thought you
put
said something else.
on.
Yeah,
Oh my god.
absolutely disgusting.
Yeah, it's really not that great.
But it's a thing.
Why would you put it on the whole thing instead of just a little bit to taste it?
Because she believes in herself.
Oh my god, man, no way.
Go.
Okay, go. Stop playing.
How was it? It's not that great, right? Yeah, who the heck invented this? Want some?
I didn't try it. No thanks.
Why do people crave this?
Just look at her face. Do I want to try it?
Too bad you guys can't smell it. It smells delicious. So close to your face. And how is it? Without salt?
So good.
I literally got like this part of your face because I'm terrible at recording.
So good.
Does it need more lemon?
Yeah.
Actually, we didn't even mix it with the lemon yet.
I think I got the part of it that doesn't have the lemon.
So me and Miriam have work today. It's Friday, so that means that I finish at 1. She used to finish at 1, but then, you know, stuff happened. Too much to talk about. And then, so she finishes at 3:30. Miriam planned today, so it's a restaurant and we're going out there. I already know what it is, but no one else does. And Rabina's coming with us. Miriam isn't driving with me today because I'm leaving earlier, so we had to take both cars. Yusuf, you're home from school? Your face. How are you doing? And how the heck did the bird get here? Bird, why are you here? Okay. Does it smell nice in here? You smell good like outside. I'm making this make the house smell good because it smells like cooking. I'm gonna spray this on the couch. We don't fold our blankets. We like them unfolded. So this is all I wear. You know. My hijab, a sweater, and a pair of jogging pants. And then, for some extra warmth, another sweater. I wear this sweater on top of everything. And if it's too cold, then I'll wear my jacket. But that's it. That's why it takes me literally 30 seconds to get ready.
Another one. Oh my god, this one's really cute too. That's totally Marion. Look at this one. Another one.
Doing it. So the surprise was
Let me give my jacket back.
Dad finally got the sickness.
Yeah, finally. Oh my god, you guys are killing me now.
We had it for a couple weeks.
I feel horrible.
Rubina
I feel like I look horrible too. Look at my face.
It's not that bad. Don't worry. So yeah, it was Miriam's planning.
What's up? Hi. Hello. It was actually Rubina's idea. No, it was my idea to come for a Friday night, but it was Rubina's place.
I love your babe. Mom, stick your head in there. Hi.
Where's my bib? Which one did I get?
You don't get
Actually,
one.
let me see something.
I did get one.
Let me see something. No, give it to me for a second. Give me for a second.
My phone's dying.
Oh, I got this.
Literally has like 4% left.
Daughter of the Year award goes to
Which drinks is yours?
me. Okay, bye. She means me.
No, I don't mean you.
Okay. Wow, that's rude. They're talking between menus. Talk in between, not even in this. Talk. We have to tell them. We have to talk to each other.
Stop looking at the camera. It's you and me. Yusuf. Yeah, that's Mom's. You can bring it. I thought you put the Tim Hortons in the trunk. And then I was like, oh wait, you went through the drive-thru, so that wouldn't work. He's totally ignoring me. Did you have a fun drive? Oh, it smells so nice outside.
It smells so nice outside.
Yeah, don't you ever like smell outside and you're like, oh, it smells nice? The outside, just, I like the outside weather smell. Thanks, Yusuf! Love you!
Every once in a while, we gotta get outside, just the two of us, have a nice coffee, and discuss real life issues. You know, we got 3 kids, they're all young adults, and we worry about them and we love them. And we sit down and we'll have a coffee and we'll talk, we'll work things out, we'll brainstorm, and we just talk things to death, actually. But I mean, it's a good thing. So, you know, you solve your problems, come up with solutions and ideas. You know, not everything works all the time, but you try. And if it doesn't work, you know, you just try again and again, because we have our kids and we love them. You know, we want the best for them. And my wife is so beautiful. How do you not want to come out and have a nice coffee and spend time alone?